What if I told you there are 7 ways to make this watch hour bar fill up 5 times faster without needing a single viral video, so you can finally get monetized with payouts like me without the millions of views I got? Well, here it is. What you want to do is create shorter videos like this, or this, so you can upload more often and get more views. But then what you want to do is to link inside those video descriptions and screens and pin comments to 2 types of videos. The second one, in my opinion, is far more effective. But let's start with the first one, which is the link to your best video so far from an average view duration perspective. So go to your YouTube studio here, add average view duration to the stats, and use that video, or for example your top 3 videos, to link to inside your new, also your older videos, because you can bulk change your video descriptions by going here and then either adding something to your descriptions or replacing them entirely, and you will get a percentage of your 48-hour views towards your best average view duration video. And depending on your view counts, this can massively explode your watch hours, especially if you do this in combination with uploading more shorter videos that all link to this video. And then if you also add this playlist string at the end of your video, you will get even more watch hours, because some people will watch more than one video of yours due to the autoplay. But what is the other, even better type of video you can link to? Before I show you, know that you can get my free thumbnail templates to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes for free. But before you download them, here comes the other type of videos that I love the most because they are so effective. You want to make a bowerbird video. And if you don't know, a bowerbird is known for collecting lots of random pieces and organizing them like this to get sexy with females. The same way you want to collect parts of your older videos and turn them into a compilation, a loop video like this example of 4 hours study with me, and my personal favorite, a full guide, for example a 30-minute English course for beginners, or this one for AI, or this one for piano, or this one for accounting, and on and on. You're basically creating a long compilation video out of the videos you've already posted. Now if you want to increase your views, you just record a new intro and maybe some short transition clips where you move from one old video into the next one and say something like, now that you understand assets, liabilities and equity, let's move to journal entries. And then you just edit it together by trimming some parts, and then you can have a video like this done in 1 hour, which has a much higher chance of getting viral. Recently, as you can see in this outlier, this one, this, all of these outlier examples. And then you can now link to that long video everywhere and explode your watch hours and views and add revenue once you are monetized like me. Because the RPM on these long videos are insane and can be $10, as you can see here. I mean, Mr. Beast just started to create them for a reason. But if there's one YouTube setting that cost me a lot of money, it is this one. It's one of my most valuable videos. Watch it here to avoid my big mistakes, or download my free thumbnail pack below. Talk soon.